Okay, I'm going to do a little sketching here. I'm going to just like try to draw her real quick, like a bunny. Actually, she has moved. So I'm gonna, this is all from memory now. Whoops. I hope this, you have to rewind this to see this now. We're at Steak and Shake in Winter Park, Florida. And I'm looking at another lady here with a ponytail. But I think this looks, if you saw her before, just rewind this and you can see what the sketch looks like. Hopefully this is relatively accurate. But she's nowhere to be found at the moment. I don't know where she's gone off to. But anyway, okay, hopefully that works. And there's a little sketch of the lady here at Steak and Shake.